Now the second incident I want to cover, want to bring in your notice is a Parveen Nettar murder case. You all people are aware in 2022 and even the 2023, there is a more than 8 murder incident, communal murder incident happened in the state of Karnataka. Out of this 8 murder incident, 2 incident, it was the victim of a majority community. 6 incident, victim of a minority community. Only in 2 cases, the state has invoked UAPA, terror charges, and the investigation transferred to the NIA. In all other 6 cases, I have given a detail in the another my press note. There I had given a detail of all the FIRs where victim were the member of minority community and the accused were the member of majority community. Forget the majority, they were a member of a communal group. And all the people got a bail in all this matter. I have presented the numbers also in my synopsis. In connection of Parveen Nettar case, you all are aware that when the incident was happened, there was no eyewitness. There was no eyewitness at all. State has conducted the investigation from 27/7/2022 to 19/8/2022. These days, state has collected the statement of several witnesses, particularly eyewitnesses. Those were close to Parveen Nettar house, they were friends. And none of these statements, they have identified any of the accused persons. Any of the accused persons there. But when we got the charge sheet, in the charge sheet, the NIA has fabricated the statement of all these 9 witnesses and presented them as they were the eyewitness to the incident. And with the great effort, by the order of the Honorable Trial Court, we received a list of documents which state police handed over to NIA. When you peruse the document, we are shocked. Why I am saying we are shocked? They did not provide us the original statement, which is recorded by state police. This statement they state, this is given in the charge sheet. When we compare the number of pages of each statement of these witnesses, we found that there is a discrepancy in terms of the number of pages. Say for example CW1, whose further statement was recorded on 37/2022. The original police report, it is mentioned that 3 pages statement was given by this witness. But when we peruse the charge sheet, it is only 2 pages. Likewise, there is a 9 instances are there, and there is another witness, Harish Kananjali, who is cited as a witness in NIA charge sheet. But his statement was not recorded by the state police. And this is the key witness who has identified more than 7 to 8 accused persons. So these facts I want to bring before the general public and before the media. And we have already filed a complaint under section 340 before the learned trial court to take action against the erring officers. Those has fabricated this statement. They not only defrauded with the court, but also with the victim as well as the accused person. So this is the summary of my press conference. I have given you the entire material for whatever I submitted, and I am sure that these are the materials will be very handy for the accused person to receive any relief.